Introducing Mr. Brandon, lives in Reston, Virginia. Few days ago, he was noticed that his residential garage doors have some damages. So, without wasting his time, he was planning to hire professional garage door repair technicians. But where to find the best garage door company near me? Searching over the internet, he found Adams Garage Doors LLC. Browsing through their website, he got to know that it is a leading local garage door company in Reston, with more than 40 years of combined experiences in garage door repair or replacement. They are famous for providing broken garage door repair, replacement service, servicing and maintenance, etc. Their knowledgeable and experienced garage door repair technicians are available 24/7 to solve all garage door issues efficiently. They always use the highest quality garage doors from top brands, like Clopay, Amar, LiftMaster, etc. And the best part is that their offered guaranteed garage door repair service is available at affordable prices. Getting satisfied with their reviews, he contacted them to quick fix the broken garage door. If you are going through the same, contact them now at 703-623-6766. Do you want to know more about their services? Browse through https://adamsgarageddorsllc.com.